Hello guys, today we will talk about average if and average if function in Excel. This is the most powerful function in which we can use multiple conditions to drive results. First of all, we need to understand what is the difference between average if and average ifs. Average if works in the single condition. For example, here you can see some sales agents name and their value in the next column against each sales name. Now the name of agents are being repeatedly because he has done multiple sales, and now I want to see the average sale per specific agent. So I will select this cell, put in is equal to average if, and now if you can see, even Excel is also guiding me how to apply this formula. So I will select the range, which is basically the name of the agents against which we want to show the value for. Then I will put the comma, and then for the criteria I will select the name of an agent and then put comma again, and lastly for the average range we will select the value, comma, and bracket close, and press enter, and this will give us the desired result. And we will move towards the second Excel function, which is average ifs function. So I will select this cell, put in is equal to average ifs, and now if you can see, even Excel is also guiding me on how to apply this formula. So I will select the range, comma, and then select criteria range from the raw data, criteria 1, and select criteria range 2, and then put comma again, criteria 2, bracket close, and press enter, and this will give us the desired result. As I mentioned in the beginning, this is one of the most significant formulas in Excel that is used frequently in reporting and analysis. I hope this video has helped you in understanding the average if and average ifs function. Also, if you have any further queries regarding Excel, different functions, and creating dashboard, you can reach me out on java.trg@gmail.com. I have also put my email and Facebook page link in the description below. Take care guys, I will be back again with a new video on Excel and its function. Stay tuned.